Hello everyone, this is just a quick video on target recovery with the Garret Ace 250. So as you see, I've got it on all metal mode with 3 notches off full sensitivity, and I've got a good target here. And we're going to just check this multiple ways. That's a good target. Okay, that's ringing up just in the gold bronze range. I've had 2 pennies out of there already, so I'm thinking this is going to be another penny circa 1940. So what we've got a good signal here, so we're going to use the pinpoint function just to hone in. Draw across over your target, and now you've got 2 inches from that. So now this is another optional you can get is a pinpointer, which I would definitely recommend. Pick it up, 20 quid off Amazon, definitely worth it. Just gonna turn this on. I'm gonna set it to beep function so you guys can hear it. So I'm just gonna run it over the surface. Okay, so we're picking up a signal here. So because I know this is quite close to the surface because of my depth, I'm just going to use a quick trowel. So I'm just going to dig this in, flip that over, and okay, so we've got the pinpointer again. And if you don't have a pinpointer, what you can do is you can use the end of your metal detector to pick up the clods of dirt and scan it over the coil to see if there's anything in it, and then keep doing that. But I just find a pinpointer a lot easier, as do a lot of other metal detectorists. So I'm going to just scan this hole. So we're going to have to dig a little bit deeper. So I'm just going to be careful now, because I don't want to scratch the surface of the coin too much, if I can help it. I'll just switch this to vibrate so to not annoy you guys. So just check down here. You guys can probably hear that's quite close now. So we're just going to go back in with the trowel, very, very gently, just like this. Check it out again. So we're pretty much on it now. We're on the money, quite literally. So we're just going to keep digging. Keep digging. I'm checking this hole. Now, have a bit of a root around. Where are we? So I can tell it's on this side. And there we are. We have what looks like a penny just here. So I'll take it out. Don't want to rub it or anything too hard, remove any detail. And I'll show you guys what this looks like when it's all cleaned up.